Hello everybody and welcome to Keto Alicious. Today I'm going to show you how to start a garden with seeds. So stay tuned with me and I will show you how I've gotten started and what to do to help you with your vegetable expenses if you're on the keto diet, and how to help you possibly save a little bit of money and have some amazing, wonderful foods growing in your very own area. Okay, so I'm in my backyard and there's all kinds of noise around me, so we'll just get by with that. So as you can see, I've already started my garden here. I've done some starters, and I'm going to be doing another one because I need more. But for now, I'm just going to do the basic on how I got started with this so that you can too. And then yesterday I purchased some already made raised garden boxes. So I'm going to show you those and show you where I plan on putting those. And then this will be kind of a process. This will be kind of a step one, maybe step two on the soils and things that I use and watching me plant these. But this can help you really tremendously if you feel like keto is too expensive and you really want to save some money. Raising your own food is so much better anyway because you can do it organic, and there's a lot of benefits to it. So anyway, so I'm going to show you the basis of this. What I did is I purchased this little thing that is just like a little caddy that it was all empty, and it has a base in it and it has a plastic top on it. So the plastic top, after you plant them, goes over the top of it, and then it also allows it to kind of get a little bit of warmth so that the seeds germinate and grow up pretty quickly. Actually, I think I did this last weekend and it's already, as you can see, look at that, it's beautiful and it's already coming up. So the first thing you want to do is purchase one of these little guys. I think I got this at Fred Meyer for like $7, and it holds, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So quite a lot. And I have separated, I have, like I said, I'm going to get another one because I got some seeds of some of the keto vegetables that I use a lot for my recipes, and also some things that my family likes as well. So I bought all organic seeds, and you can get these, there's all kinds of brands. You can get them online. They're probably cheaper online, but I was in the moment and deciding this was the time I was going to do this. So I got some green onions, I got some lettuce, I got some radishes. Love all these things, and all these are keto friendly. Some green beans, cilantro, hot peppers, and sweet peppers. Now I will be also going to get some tomato plants because I'm going to make salsa and I love that. So the first thing you want to do, I bought this Organic Choice potting soil. Miracle Grow, whatever you feel like you want to use, and that's all I did. These little guys were empty, and so I filled every one of these about 3/4 of the way full, and then I just took 1 or 2 seeds of each one of these, and then when I've already got some planted in here, so I'll be careful, but you just push them in and then you cover them up. And then when you're done with that, then you just put a little bit more dirt over the top of them. Save these little guys because you might want to do more if you see that you don't have enough. And then I just took them and I just put some water. Now I don't want to put the water over the top of the plants because it can start getting some germs, but these little guys over here are not they're not coming up yet, so they're just taking a little bit longer, which is fine. And then you just get them wet, and then you just take this little top off right here. See? And once you get them all watered, now you won't be seeing any plants, then you take this little guy and you just put it over the top just like that, and then stick it in a sunny spot somewhere out of the way, and give this some time. Keep it watered, keep it wet, and you'll start to see within about 3 or 4 days, you'll start to see the plants pop up, and it's amazing how fast it happens. So I'm gonna go get another one, and I'm gonna be doing this. So I actually will do this live with you. It'll be kind of part 1 of the part 2 that I'm doing here. I wasn't thinking about doing it, doing a video on it, and I thought, this makes a lot of sense because a lot of people could get a lot of benefit from growing their own food, and there's a lot to be said with making your own food. It's self-sufficient, and it's important, and I think it's good for ourselves. It's cheaper. You don't have to run down to the store all the time and buy stuff, and you know where it comes from, you know how you made it, if there's no pesticides in them, and it's a great way for you to eat a lot healthier and stay on your keto. So all right, so next I'm gonna walk you over. My husband and I got the raised garden beds yesterday. They're already made, so for me it was almost less expensive to have somebody else make them. Now these are still in our trailer, and I'm gonna leave them in the trailer, and I'll kind of show you the area that I'm thinking about putting them down and having some good sunshine, and then we'll take the steps, and I'll show you how I'm doing that, so that if you guys decide that you want to do a garden made with seeds, that you know how to do it too. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you over here to my garden beds that I purchased, and I'll just give you kind of an idea. Now you guys could make your own if you wanted to. They're very, very inexpensive. The gentleman that I bought these from, he makes them out of pallets. So I think he gets the pallets for free, and then he just kind of breaks them down, and then he makes them. So I mean, hey, what a business that would be. Get them for free, and I think I spent $70 on 2 of them. So I'm gonna show you these little guys and let you see kind of the whole idea and the concept to what I'm gonna be doing to grow my own food, how to make a garden with seeds. Garden boxes, let's see if you can see them. They're about 6 by 3, and I spent about $70 for them, and there's 2 of them. They don't have any bottoms in them, so I'm going to be putting some organic compost into them, but they're made pretty nicely. They were made with pallets. So actually, you guys, if you know how to do that, you could probably do it yourself for probably a lot less expensive. And anyway, so I have them still in the trailer. I'm going to kind of go around here so I can show them to you, the outsides and the whole look of them. They're not bad. They're actually kind of cool, and I didn't have to make them. So anyway, so there's 2 of them there. So I'm gonna be pulling those out here pretty soon. As soon as I figure out where to put them, I'm thinking maybe another area around the other side. I'm just kind of taking a look at an area and seeing how much sun is there. So anyway, these are the boxes that I purchased, and I'm very excited to get started. Anyway, so I will we'll kind of take these steps, and we'll put them out so you can see them. So this is an area that I have that is kind of just, there's nothing really here. So I think I may take advantage of it because it doesn't have any grass in it. It's kind of in between a shed and a barn that we have that we are going to upgrade. And so I think this area right here, just kind of cleaning it up, getting rid of some of this stuff, and I think it will give it enough sunshine. There is a tree over here, so it also will protect it when it's in the super heat of the day, and give it a little bit of shade as well. So we'll see. I think that might be the place I'm gonna put them. And that simplicity grow into fruits and vegetables that you can use on a daily basis and can from and make jams and jellies and sauces and salsas and all the wonderful things that we love anyway. And it's just a great easy way to be able to do that just right from your own home and save a lot of money. So anyway, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I'm so excited to continue this with you. I will keep you going as far as watching my plants grow, and you'll be seeing a lot of me going out to my garden after, in time, pulling out some of these things that I need for my recipes to have really healthy, keto-friendly recipes. Now, I'm not saying that everybody should have a garden. I'm just saying that this works really well for me and what I do with the keto cooking. And plus, I don't know if you've ever tried your own organic produce, but if you go to the store, it's pretty expensive, and it's not expensive to do it on your own. So now you have the wonderful feeling of giving your family great organic foods without the price tag behind it. And if you've never had organic foods, the taste of them just tastes unbelievably amazing and so different. Especially, and I'm a true believer that tomatoes, oh my gosh, I just have never tasted tomatoes that taste so good as the ones that you buy organically or the ones that you raise yourself. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you for watching my channel. I'm so excited that you guys are here with me. If you're not a subscriber, please do. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Never miss a video. Click that little bell above so you always know when my next video is. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thanks for staying with me. I love each and every one of you. And until the next video, have a great day. Bye-bye.